So this is the Smile Kit color corrector. It's a purple toothpaste gel for adults, and it's supposed to enhance the color of your teeth, brighten your teeth color. So I'm a coffee drinker, so naturally I tend to have kind of a yellowy type of color on my teeth. So I'm hoping that by using this, I'm going to be able to brighten my smile a bit. So let's go ahead and unbox it and we'll try it out. Okay, so it says for directions of use to apply 2 pumps to a soft bristle toothbrush. It's not a substitute for toothpaste, it says. Okay. Wow. So I'm a person that uses purple shampoo for my hair, and I know how well that works, you know, for my blondes to be brighter. So I think this is really going to work. So look at this beautiful purple color. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay. Let's go ahead and I'll just put a little bit on my hand here so you can see the color. Okay, so it's very, very purple, just like purple shampoo. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm just putting some of that on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my mouth. Okay, so that definitely had a nice minty taste to it. So it wasn't gross tasting or anything. I do see that my teeth are definitely less yellow and brighter. So I'm gonna continue to use it for a few more days, and I'm hoping that the more I use it, the brighter my teeth will be. So I don't see any ugly purple left behind. I'm sure just as you use purple shampoo that if you use it too much, you probably start seeing a little bit of a purple color, maybe a little bit, that you might need to slow down on your use of it if you start to notice that. So anyway, this worked pretty good. I'm liking it. Anyway, I think you'll like it too.